Hello everyone, this is Mahi and today I'll be presenting a project, Obstacle Avoidance Robot Car, which explains the fundamentals of real-time decision making and autonomous robotics. So let's dive into it. So this project moves without any human intervention. So basically this project is designed to move automatically, detect the objects in its path and change the direction. So suppose in the coding, if we are writing that the ultrasonic sensor should detect an object within 30 centimeters, it would turn. If you want it to be a small distance, then 20 centimeters, it would turn. So this is how the ultrasonic sensor looks like. And the blue object here is the ultrasonic sensor holder, which holds the ultrasonic sensor in place. And this can be done by using sticky tape. So the ultrasonic sensor consists of 4 pins. First is GND, which is the ground. Then we have the echo pin, the trig pin and the VCC. So ground is attached to the negative pin of the Arduino Uno. VCC is for the power pin. Two important pins of the ultrasonic sensor, which is the trigger pin and echo pin. The trigger pin sends the ultrasonic sensor's sound waves and the echo pin receives the reflected waves after they hit an obstacle. This is called car plates and these are wheels. So we have 4 wheels and we assemble these 2 car plates by using screwdrivers, as you can see here. And we have 4 motors attached to these car plates. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach the motors. We're going to use the motor shield. We're going to attach the motor shield to the Arduino like a sandwich. We have attached the motor shield and the Arduino together. We're going to place it on our car in the center. And then we'll be attaching each of the motors to each one of the motor compartments given. Let's go through with the code. So the code for this, we just have to initialize the pins and then in the void setup, set the output mode and the input mode for the pins. And then we're going to define the motor. We're also going to use a library for this. Since it stores the value from 0 to 1023, we are going to attach it to the analog pins. In the void loop, if distance is less than 20, then the car would move forward. Else the car is stopping. So stop car, delayed by 3 seconds and then it is turning to the right side, delaying for 6 seconds, 0.6 seconds. And then we get on to the next part of the code. First we are starting by initializing distance, which is in distance is equal to get ultrasonic distance. And then we are putting 2 brackets followed by a semicolon. And then as in the starting of the video I said, since this is an obstacle avoidance robot car, it will be using the mechanism of if statements. And then it's followed by void move forward, where we're gonna front right dot run, front left dot run, it's gonna move forward. Then turn right, it's gonna turn backward and stop the car, for which we use release. And now we all are thorough with the code. Now let's see if our code works or not. So now we are going to plug our Arduino. First, the Arduino will store the code which we have written in the desktop, and then we're going to remove the cable and then we're going to attach the battery. So let's wait for it to upload.